Hey guys, Mr. Will here. Last video lesson for the denominators for June 2nd, 2020. Today we are graphing an exponential function. So it says graph the function y equals 2 to the power of x. Identify its domain and range. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a table for x and for y. Okay, so I have x, I have y, and I am going to list out some different values. Okay, and again, you're picking the values. I always try to get 1 and 0 off the bat. So I'm going to skip 1. Let's say if y was 1. Okay, actually, maybe I'll skip 2. Y was 1. X would have a value of. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, we have to plug these in to our functions. Each one of our functions here, they're going to give you a rule, and you're going to have to make a table from that rule. Okay, so if I make y 1, what would satisfy x? Well, x would be 0. Yes. Okay, does that make sense? Because 2 to the power of 0 would give you 1. Okay, excellent. Okay, good. What if I had 2? Okay, or let's say 1. Well, 1, okay, times 2 to the power of 1 would give you a value y of 2. Okay, now it kind of depends whether you want to do y and figure out x or x and figure out y. It's sort of what works for you. Okay, let's go in the other direction. What if I had negative 1? Well, if I had 2 to the power of negative 1, that would give me, yes, that would give me 1/2. And then what if I had, let's say, negative 2? Okay, negative 2, 2 to the power of negative 2 would give me, yes, 1/4. Okay, excellent. And then let's go in the other direction. Well, let's do one more. What if I had positive 2 for x? Okay, 2 to the power of 2 would give me, that's right, 4. Okay, so step number 1 when you have a graph is to make a table. You're going to choose a couple values for x and finding the values of y. The domain is all real numbers. Okay, so the domains are all real numbers. Now we're going to plot it. They want us to graph the function. Okay, unfortunately, I don't have graph paper, so I'm going to do my best. Okay, I don't have that option. So here is 0, 0, the origin. Okay, and I'm going to graph them. Okay, and you can do it in any order that you want. Okay, but if I have 0, 1, I'm going to start here. Okay, 0, 1, I would put that one right here. Okay, so that would be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 0, 1 would be right here. Okay, and then I could do, my next one would be 1, 2. So I'm going to go 1, and then I'm going to go 1, 2. So I would put it right about, no, that's 0, 1. So this would be 1, 2. So that would go here. Sorry, my bad. That would go like that. Okay, let me erase that. I messed up my graph. So that would be 1, 2. My next one would be 2, 4. So I go over 1, 2, and I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know this is hard without it, but it would go right about here. Hopefully you can get the picture. So this is 0, 1. This is 1, 2. This is 2, 4. Okay. And then we're going to go, my other one would be negative 1 and 1/2. So that would be kind of in between this 1 and 0 and 1. So, and then I'm going to go 1. Should have made my tick marks. So it would go kind of right about, what do you think? Right about here, don't you think? More or less. My pen's sticking right about there. Cool, cool, cool. And then the last one is negative 2. So here I have this negative 1. This would be negative 2, more or less. And I have 1/4, so it's going to be even closer to that line. Okay. Now, I have just graphed the points that I have made. The last step is to draw a smooth curve. Now, some of you might be better than this than others. From either the table or the graph, you can see that the range is all positive numbers. So my graph is going to go like this. Okay, very good. So I have just identified the domain, which is all real numbers. I just identified the range, which is all positive real numbers. I have found the points for this function, and I have graphed them. I would like you to try a couple on your own. Ask questions, work hard. I am so very proud of you. Yeah, you did it. Um, so I hope that I can see you Thursday. I hope both for the class meeting and for the parade. But if I do not, I wish you guys a very happy summer. Please, for the 3 that are graduating, please don't be strangers. Please come back and visit. I want to hear all about your adventures. And for Miss Lapp, can't wait for another great year with you. All right, work hard, ask questions, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Thanks so much.